Hello students of class 8, this is our fourth video for the chapter Cloud and Rain. So I will continue this part, that is last video done orographic rainfall, that is the in one side of the mountain where maximum rainfall occurs, that part is called windward side. When the wind receives in the opposite side, there little or no rainfall occurs, that part is known as the leeward side or the rain shadow region. Now the definition of rain shadow region is very important. So in this part what you will write, the leeward side of the mountain which receives very little or no rainfall, that part of the mountain is known as rain shadow region. Example of rain shadow region is Shillong, eastern part of Western Ghats. These are the example of rain shadow region. Eastern part of Western Ghats, Shillong, these are the rain shadow area, example of rain shadow areas of India. Now I am going to the next part, that is cyclonic rainfall. I will start cyclonic rainfall or cyclonic rainfall or frontal rainfall. What is the other name? Frontal rainfall. Cyclonic rainfall or frontal rainfall occurs. See, this is the front. Here is cold wind and here is warm wind. And cold air. This is warm air and this is cold air, and the two air meets each other where at the front. Now as the cold air is heavier or denser, it is below, and the warm air is lighter, it is above. Now see what happened. In tropical countries, sometimes a small area gets so intensely heated that air above its warmth rises up, forming a low pressure. And as a result, when the cooler air surrounds this low pressure center and the strong winds that blow, it is called cyclone. This type of cyclonic disturbance is accompanied by rain and thunder shower, and it causes accompanied by rain, thunder shower and lightning, and this type of rainfall is known as cyclonic rainfall. When the two meets each other, here clouds formation occur and rainfall occurs at the front, and this type of rainfall is known as cyclonic rainfall. This rainfall or cyclonic rainfall is accompanied by rain, thunder shower and lightning. So they are cyclonic in nature, so they are also known as cyclonic rainfall. Am I clear to all? Now I am going to the next part. See, more to know. What is eye of a cyclone? Cyclone is like this. This is center and these are all the pressure cells. And in cyclone, low pressure exists and the pressure increases outside. See, 800, 900, 1000, 1100 millibars, MB, all in millibars. So the center of the cyclone where low pressure exists, this center is known as eye of a cyclone. The center of the cyclone where low pressure exists is called eye of a cyclone. Now some of the important tropical cyclones are, see, the important tropical cyclones are destructive tropical cyclones, tornado of Mississippi Basin, typhoon in North Pacific Ocean, cyclone in Arabian Sea, Bay of Bengal, hurricane in West Indies and Caribbean Sea, and Viii in Australia. These are the important destructive tropical cyclone. Now see, in India, you know that in recent past also many cyclonic disturbance occurs. Some of them given here: Ayla in 2009, Philene in 2013, Hudhud in 2014, and recent past Amphan in 2020, and what recent Yash in 2021. So these are all tropical cyclone that occurs and hits the Bay of Bengal coast, and some also in the Arabian coast. Okay, now this part finished, that is the syllable, means classification of rainfall. Very important for your examination, for broad question. All the three along with diagram you have to practice, and relative humidity definition you have to practice. 4 o'clock rainfall you have to write. What is eye of a cyclone you have to read properly. Important destructive tropical cyclones name you have to write properly, and some important cyclones that occurs or hits recent past, that name you have to go through properly. So this part is finished, but diagram making is compulsory. Without diagram you will not get proper marks. Okay, so in this next class I will continue from the drizzle part, and thank you class. Then in next video I will continue from the drizzle part.